In this video, I will be wiring in a switch loop in my utility room so that my basement is up to code as I do other renovations. Previously, I had a drawstring light, which is not code compliant once the basement's finished. So I have installed this switch into the wall, and I have run a 3-conductor cable to the device box, coming through the wall, across the ceiling joists, and over to the actual light junction box. Now the 3-conductor cable is now required to be code compliant so that you maintain your white wire as a neutral wire throughout. Now there is quite a bit going on in this junction box, but the actual wiring of the switch loop is quite simple. All of the black wires are tied together and moretted off within the box, and all of the white wires are moretted off in the box with one pigtail, which is going to go to the actual light fixture. The red wire, which goes back to the switch, comes straight into the device box and will go to the light fixture. So here it is with the light fixture attached. You can see the neutral white wire is coming from the pigtail to the light fixture, and you can see that the red wire, which is going straight back to the new switch that I've installed, goes to the other terminal. This particular light does not have a ground on it, so all of the grounds remain tied together in the junction box. Now over here at the switch, you can see that the white wire, which is the neutral, is moretted off in the junction box. The red wire, which is your load wire, is connected to the switch, and the black wire, which is your hot wire and is connected to all other blacks at the light fixture, is your hot wire. So with the breaker on, you can see no problem, light turns on and off. So overall, a very easy job, a little bit time consuming getting the new device box in the wall and running the wire, but that's about it. The actual wiring of it is very simple, and switch looks good and works perfectly. Thanks for checking out my video, and don't forget to like and subscribe.